Hey, welcome to Mindful Life. We are going to do a review. We are going to review the Meelod DK200 e-bike. It's a bike I've purchased with my own money. I'm switching over to the electric bike a lot more, the e-bike a lot more. Still using a regular bike. I am a bike rider. All right. So these reviews that I'm going to do are going to be in 3 videos. The first video is going to cover the unboxing and build. Second video is going to cover the specs and performance. Third video is going to be my overall impressions and recommendations and thoughts. Okay, so in the first video, we're going to jump right into this. Now, there is a discount code that's available to you if you decide to purchase this bike. It's a really good bike. I'm making this video on my own volition. I purchased the bike with my own money. So this is not a paid promotion or anything like that. I'm a bike rider. I go out and run errands. I'm in nature. I'm around the city. So when I encountered this bike, which is my first electric bike, I was like, wow, I want people to know. Maybe there's some of you who's never really considered electric bike before, but it's a different thing. It's a different world when you ride an electric bike. It's totally different. So hopefully these videos will give you enough information to where you can make a decision on whether or not you want to buy this particular bike. Again, the code is in the description. Okay, let's get to the very first video in this series, which is going to be the unboxing and the build. Alright, so here we are with the unboxing. So this is the Meelod DK200. And this video we're talking about an unboxing and the build. Now, this was delivered by FedEx, and the delivery was cool. I didn't get any notifications, or it wasn't delivered to the specified area, but as you look at the box, you can see there are a couple nicks, but nothing too serious. I saw something right there, saw a little bit right there, but nothing caused my alarm. So it was delivered nice and early, so that was a good thing. All right, here we go. Opening the box, I'm using some little Leatherman scissors, as you can see. So it's pretty self-explanatory right here. All right, there you go. Voila. So there's the bike. We got the box open. You can see the seat. Everything is packaged pretty good. I mean, I didn't have any issues with anything being broken or bent or anything like that. So, hats off to Meelod for packaging it in such a way that, it came nice. It came nice. That's all I can say. It came nice. I like the logo on the back seat. That makes a difference. And I'll explain a little bit later why. All right, so here we go. Skipped all of that. You understand, I'm holding the camera so while I'm doing this. So here you go. I put the wheels on. I put the fender on. Got a few little things right here, like reflectors and stuff like that. So I'll put those on later. Headlight went on pretty good. I like the cable management right there. It's wires aren't all over the place. Shock, we'll talk about the shocks later. I put the fender on. Got to straighten it up a little bit, but fenders are metal. I left a lot of the styrofoam stuff on there because I'm going to be bringing it inside. So here's the look at the build again before I take it in. So you can see, there you go. It's a beautiful bike. I mean, I really like how it's blacked out like that. Got a little bit of tools there. I use my own Allen wrenches. It's a charger. I really like the fact that their logo is on the charger. When you put your name on something, it means you stand behind it. So here we go, looking at the build again. Now you see those big zip ties on there. One thing I like and notice that the name is on the battery. It's on the seat and it's on the hub of the rear wheel. There you go. You see it? Look back there. Well, I'll show it to you. There it is right there. See? So I'll show that to you later too. There it is. So there it is. Yeah. So I've learned that in this e-bike domain, that makes a difference. So here we go. The build was pretty simple. I just had to put the front wheel on, the fender, um, the headlight. That's it. Pedals. Again, just looking at the charger again with their logo on it. So in the next video, we're going to go into the specs of the bike, no load speed test, different things. All right. Well, I hope you enjoyed that first video of the unboxing and the build. Now we're going to move over to the second video. The second video is going to cover the specs and the performance. I'm going to get right to it, give you the information that you are looking for, a lot of you are looking for, that will help you make a decision. There is a code, a discount code in the description where you can get a nice discount on this bike. Now, I bought this bike with my own money. Nobody's paying me to do this. Nobody gave me the bike or anything like that. I've ridden this bike over 160 miles, guys. Over 160 miles. So it's not like I just rode around the block and I'm telling you a couple things and reading your specs off a website. That can be helpful as well. But for me, this is personal. This is a part of my life. I'm actually sharing a little bit of my life with you all with this e-bike. So I hope you enjoyed that. And let's move over to video number 2 of a 3 video series on the Meelod DK200 e-bike. Peace.